How do you see Manny Pacquiao's ending his career? I mean, he's 46. You said he wanted to fight. Sabi ni Chavit, pag nanalo ulit yan, lalaban ulit yan. Pag
Mm.
nanalo ulit yan, lalaban ulit yan. Are we
Ganun ang
seeing Manny to continue, or how does it end for Manny as an analyst? How do you think?
alam mo naman kasi if you look at boxing history, it's the one fight too many syndrome. Nakita naman natin 'yan eh. 'Di ba? Nakita naman natin, what? Roberto Duran fought until he was like 50. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
They just it's the only thing they know. Alam mo, it's the warrior, it's the fighter in them na nagbibigay ng ganong klaseng mindset. 'Di ba? Kaya nga naiiba si Floyd Mayweather. Si Floyd Mayweather kasi business first, fighter later 'yun eh. Wala
Mm.
siyang ano doon eh. Kasi he thinks about his future. Ang importante sa kanya, he gets to keep his faculties, he remains healthy. Kaya ganoon na lang siya ka busisi, pumili ng laban. Ang very common sa fighter, ayan, the likes of Manny Pacquiao, they don't know when to stop. Sabi naman, inamin naman ni Manny, he misses the bright lights, yung media, and everything about doing a fight. And why not? 'Di ba? This is what you've been doing for almost your whole life. And at the end of the day, this is an honest way of living. It is his livelihood. Yan po kailangan nating tandaan dyan, guys eh. Ito
Yeah.
po, hanap buhay po kasi nila yan. 'Di ba? So sabihin na natin, there are boxers na, 'di ba, minsan sinasabi nilang gusto na lumaban pero ang totoo hindi na. But they have to do it anyway because they have to earn the money. I'm not saying that's the case for Manny Pacquiao. So iba-ibang cases yan eh. But one thing I've noticed is talagang isipin mo naman, Pao, Muhammad Ali, meron ng signs of Parkinson's disease, lumabang pa kay Larry Holmes. Ano 'yun? 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Ano 'yun? So, ang hirap kasing awatin. When is enough? Enough. Kasi apparently, kailangan nating makita itong mga legends na to na talagang mapuruhan, mabugbog pa. Si Duran, talunin ni Camacho, si Leonard. Isipin mo, si Sugar Ray Leonard, di ba, tinalo ni Camacho via TKO. Would you believe in a 1,000 years na he would lose to a guy like Camacho via TKO when he fought the likes of like Hagler, di ba? He fought Duran 3 times, he fought Thomas Hearns. Tapos ang ending mo, you will lose in the end kay Camacho via stoppage. Who in a million years? So I think, at the end of the day, kailan ba magsisink in sa fighter that enough is enough? Diba?
I guess when that kind of fight happens, do you see that do you see that would be the way to end Manny Pacquiao's career? Or will someone tell him to finally stop? Let's say he wins the next fight, stop it. Or would he continue? How do you feel? Kasi iba yung Manny, parang gusto talaga lumaban lagi.
Si Manny kasi gusto talaga. Here's the thing. Gusto talaga ni Manny eh. Okay? So, other than sa gusto niya, so binibigay lang sa kanya yung gusto niya. And at the same time...
Pero kasi iba naman din si Manny. Si Manny, singit ko lang mabilis lang si Manny, lumalaban, nagpapakita naman, nagte-training naman, at nakaka-compete. He might not have won, but he is able to compete. Unlike yung ibang legends na lumalaban, kita mo, wala na talaga, ubos na eh. Pero Manny, may pinakita pa. But how long? Yun nga ang tanong. Go ahead.
Yun nga. Kasi at this point of his career, you can just never tell for sure. Diba? Kasi Father Time, sabi ko nga, napaka-tridor, you just never know. Pinakita naman niya na he's not the same Pacquiao. Kaya nga, sabi ko, it's about planning what's next for him. It's about choosing the right opponent. Ano ba ang gusto nyo? Ano ba ang gusto nila for Manny Pacquiao? Kasi, at the end of the day, si Manny rin naman ang masusunod eh. Itong laban na to, sino ba may gusto niyan? Di ba si Manny naman, kumbaga binigay lang sa kanya eh. Siyempre, masaya din yung mga tao niya. Of course, they're all gonna make money if Manny fights. Di ba? Pero in the end, it's up to him. Di ba? I know for a fact that it's him that wanted to fight. So, it's not like pinipwersa nila yan or binabato nila yan sa ring. So, again, it depends. Ano ba ang gusto mo? Kasi ngayon, ang hirap eh. Ang hirap. If it was up to me, okay, at kung meron akong magic wand na kaya kong gawin ng mga bagay-bagay, alam mo, kung gusto kong laban para sa kanya, a rematch with Floyd Mayweather. Kasi ayun talaga, napaka-minimal lang risk at andun yung talagang malaking pera. Ayun ang gusto ko sa kanya. Wala na akong pakailam kahit matalo siya doon. Okay na yon. That doesn't even But I think that's going to be the ideal retirement fight for him. Na win or lose, okay ka na. 'Di ba?
Yes.
So, tingnan
Sana nga,
natin kung
no? Pero
mangyayari.
parang malabo yata yan eh. Parang
Yun nga,
yan talaga
malabo.
yung pinaka-ultimate retirement fight na parang grabe yan. But knowing Floyd Mayweather, based on what you know, what you explained, nakita niya, meron pa ibubuga eh. Baka wala. At saka, hindi naman yata totoo na walang pera si Floyd. May mga nagbabalita na, unless walang talaga si Floyd.
Guys, may ibubuga for a 46-year-old. Importante po na at this point of his career, i-manage din naman natin yung expectations natin. Kasi baka akala natin, ganun ang pinakita niyang performance kay Barrios, baka akala ng mga tao, biglang lilitaw yung Manny Pacquiao na bumugbog kay Cotto, kay Margarito, kay De La Hoya. Hindi na po yun, ha? I-manage din po natin expectations natin. At kung pumili si Manny Pacquiao ng laban na safe or kaya yung team niya, ibigay na natin sa kanya, ano pa bang hihingin mo kay Manny? At this point, di ba, living legend na yan, he earned the right. Let the guy make a living while taking minimal risk.
Alright. Mga sikat na sikat ka sa comment section namin. Nagko-comment sa'yo dito. JMC Asad. So, last question ko kay Pacquiao. Like, yun nga, you know, at 46, at 47, after this, medyo hindi mo nasasagot ng diretso to eh. Diretsoan, are you now more comfortable kay Manny? Let's just say, just one fight December. Medyo nawala na ba yung age factor or at least inactivity factor? Or how do you feel pa rin? Dihado pa rin ba siya lagi?
Pao, hindi mawawala yung age factor. Nakita naman natin sa Barrios eh. Pasalamat na lang tayo, bano yung Barrios. Diba? Okay, so hindi mawawala. There's no beating father time. It's just there. Okay, so kung tatanungin mo ako, kung yung ka ba, it will always be there given that Manny Pacquiao is up there in age. Ngayon, kung malaman ko kung sino yung kalaban at pinili nila ng maayos yung kalaban, kunwari, di ba, look, nag-exhibition, di ba, ang kalaban, yung DKU. Sino mo naman kakabahan kay DKU? Tingnan mo naman ang pinaggagawa nun. 1-inch punch, 1-inch punch. Di ba? So, natural yun. Alam ko, bubugbugin niya kahit di siya mag-training. Nung lumabang kasi yung rookie-an po, biglang replacement, ayun, medyo kinabahan ako doon. Kasi it always depends on the situation eh. Hindi mo siya pwedeng ilimit sa black and white. Laging depende sino kalaban. Pero yung age factor pa, hindi na natin mawawala yun. Andyan na yun. For as long as he competes, it is always going to be there like an enigma. Andyan na yan. Nakadikit na yan sa kanya.